Hey folks, welcome to InTheMoneyStocks.com's live trading action video. My name is Gareth Soloway. Today's date is Monday, December 15th, 2014. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why the markets have bottomed on the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones Industrial Average today going into year end. Doesn't mean in 2015 we're not going to go lower. We will go lower then, but in the short term for the rest of the year, the charts are telling me there's a good chance the bottom is in. Why? Well, just take a look at the chart here on the SPY, and again, the SPY mirrors the S&P 500. Simply put, look at the level you just tagged today. You've already bounced off the lows, but look at this key gap fill right here. All right, look at that. We filled the gap right there. You hit and pierced the 50 MA, which is this purplish trend line right here, and you also, again, as I just mentioned, filled that gap. This tells us, again, based on this pullback on the expectation of an end-of-year rally, that this is most likely the short-term low. I could see oil bouncing off of this level to help the S&P start to rally into year-end. I also think you're going to see some fun buying of stocks like Apple and Alibaba into year-end, which will also buoy the markets back up. All right, and again, doesn't mean that early in 2015 you're not going to see some more downside, but again, end of year, good chance of a rally, good chance of a buy the dip coming back in if oil can put in a short-term low and bounce higher. Take a look at the DIA, which is the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Same thing here, even better perhaps. Take a look at this gap fill right here, filled perfectly, and again, I'll put a trend line in right there. You also pierced the 50 MA, perfect little level right there, and also you even have this pivot high in this little gap window area that you're into. So a ton of support short term. I would expect some sort of bounce into year end in the next 2 weeks going into Christmas and New Year's. And again, I do think you will see the markets buoy themselves up into year end. So based on the charts right now, as long as these levels hold, you are looking at a short-term low on the Dow as well as the S&P. If you want trade alerts like I've been putting out all morning, folks, listen. We took a bunch of profits on shorts today as we expected a pullback here, and I already put out long opportunities on various stocks that I bought on levels that were perfect on this pullback to, again, play into year end. If you want these alerts, if you want videos every day, if you want live broadcasts with live charts, come join us at InTheMoneyStocks.com. Sign up for the Research Center. There's a 7-day free trial. I'm telling you right now, take it. It's a 7-day free trial, no obligation. Just take it. It's easy enough. Check us out. See what it's all about. Again, come to InTheMoneyStocks.com. Take the 7-day free trial to the Research Center. Take